Hi everyone. As a part of Generative AI series, recently I made a mini project on preparing a chatbot using platforms like Google Colab and also some modules and uh, tools like such as Gradio, LangChain and Hugging Face. I made this chatbot. Uh, let's test it. It's working. I gave a prompt like say something about India. See, it gave me a response. India is a vibrant and diverse country with a rich culture heritage. It's working good. Uh, I took a module of Turbo GPT Turbo 3.5. It's a predictive model of OpenAI company. Means this model generates responses as per our text. It predicts the responses and as a part of this series I am going to introduce some AI tools. There are generative AI such as image generation and video generation and also voice generation. uh, in these generative AI, I selected some tools which are available for free, and also I'm going to test them in front of you. First of all, let's test an image generative AI tool, that is Dream by Wombo. It is a free tool, means we can pay money and we can upgrade to premium, but basically it's free. We can create account and we can check it. Okay. See, I gave a prompt in a test, like 1 minute. Two girls standing at seashore, facing each other seriously, wearing Japanese kimono and holding a katana in her hand. On background, there are some Japanese elements. This is my prompt, and by giving this prompt, I have to click on this create button. I already clicked it. So this is the image that generated. See, finalize. See, this was the image generated by AI using my previous prompt. Let's generate it again. Using this same prompt, it is generating another picture. See, same prompt. Again, let's create another one. See, let's give another prompt. Uh, Dog and cat. Let's see a simple prompt. Okay, it's creating. See, let's finalize this. See, it takes elements from our prompt and it generates accordingly. If we are not satisfied, we can by clicking generate again, we can again create other. Yeah, 1 minute. See, okay, this is the tool for image generation. This Dream by Wombo is an image generative AI, and now let us see a voice generative AI. That is 1 minute. Its name is Nerf.ai. It's an voice generative AI tool. As an input, see. I gave an input as this whole text for many ages. It has been passed through to this AI, and it converted into its own format. And I already made it. Let's test it.
For many ages, it has been passed down through the generations. And someday, bearing the weight of all these generations, a man will appear to challenge this world. Sengoku, you people of the world government are living in fear of that great battle that will someday engulf the entire world. Though it has nothing to do with me. When somebody finds that treasure, the world will be turned upside down. Oh yes, it will be found. That day will come. One Piece is out there.
See, I just gave that whole text as an input for this AI, and it converted into a voice. Here you are observing, right, a voice changer. Means if you have an sample voice audio models, or you can create your own voice as a sample, and you can upload here. Means it analyzes your pitch and some bass elements, and it produce voice on your tone. Okay, and next, let's see about video generative AI, and it is Pictory. One minute. In using this tool, we can uh, generate a video from script. See, we can generate a video from a script, or an article, or also if there is an existing video, we can edit it using this tool. Let I asked ChatGPT to create a script, make a script to a video. This prompt, see this prompt: make a script to a video. Two Japanese samurais, one is male and another is female, fighting for fresh water and food. And it gave me a complete script, and its title is Rising Thrust, a Samurai's Jewel for Survival. I gave this entire script for this AI tool as an input. See, it converted into format, means a separate scenes. Opening shot is scene 1, and again, and for each scene it generated a video clip. See, here we can modify by selecting this scene 1. See, visuals. As per text, and as according to those words we used, it we can modify those visuals. We can select a more appropriate one, and also we can add or change the video. Means all editings can be done from this toolbar. Let's play this video. Wait a second. Okay, it's problem from my side. See, just from text to video, this AI generator generated a video from this text. Means we can give prompts and we can again modify those videos according to our use. In this way, there are many tools like some other tools, but these tools are available for free on online, and you guys can also thank you.